Okay, Ben, I'm going to show you the bathroom now. Just to open it up, there's a door. Again, an irritant. There's you can see the bulkhead here, the door, and then the sink and the toilet, standard bathroom, an opaque window, and then no window back here. So basically what I'm saying to you is, by letting you see this, is that there is no view through the bathroom. Some of the boats I've been at have glass there with curtains, and you can see back to your back fishing rods, which is nice. Remember, there's no door, no window in the door. So, okay, there's a captain's chair here for the microwave, and then if you go on up, you will see a radio, and then there's my JRC radar and my JRC fish finder. I'm really going to like the one you have a lot better. This one is really pretty much a toy. It has very little settings compared to that Simrad that I had and everything, but I mean, it's functionally nice, but it's just limited in what it can do and the changes I can make to it. I can't even put a fitting. One thing I can't find in there, in the book I read the whole thing, is how to put the cursor to the center of the chart. It just, the chart, the boat moves on the chart, and the cursor does not. To the center, the chart does not stay centered. Okay, that's the steering station. Built double bilge pumps. There's another little bit of an irritant. That's the circuit breaker panel, but if you notice, it's right there where when kids are on there, they can kick those panels. So I have to figure out a little plastic thing or something to put on top to keep that from happening. There's a lot of room down in here on the side of the boat. And you don't have any depth perception for storing stuff back in below the seat and stuff like that. Okay, I'm going to go down underneath the boat. I hope it adjusts for light. Oh, by the way, this thing right here is my Jensen Cirrus unit, which I don't think works up in Alaska, which is too bad, because it sure would be nice. Okay, I'm looking at the starboard side, coming around behind the steering station, and here is the electronics. And it doesn't look as bad. It's actually very neat, but you can see it's wide open. So I have to figure out how to close this thing up right in here. Yeah, to keep the kids out of it. Emerson suggested that all I do is put some brads down in here, some snaps in here, put canvas over the top of it. Be plenty of air coming through the bottom and the top, and basically it keeps them from going into it. I'm inclined to put something maybe a little bit more substantial, and maybe even make plexiglass so I can see it. Bow comes in all the way through around here. We're now looking straight at the forward bow. You see there's a little peak tank been built up there where the anchor goes. We're going to back out slowly. I'll tell you what, let me show you above where the anchor winch is mounted. You can see some of the bolts and stuff in the plates of aluminum that I put up in there. That's molded and reinforced deck there, you can see. Then if I move back just to the top of the V-berth at the beginning part, you can see that there's just those pieces in there. Square aluminum stiffeners, and then the sheet metal above it. Not finished though. And so you can bang your head on those things, stuff like that. It's fine, but it's not finished in that way. All right, I think that's about it. There is an entryway, an access way up here in the forward part that I can get at. If you look in here, there's some little bolt holes and stuff right in there. I can pull that extra. Let's take a look at that. I need to do that one of these days. All right, I think that's about it, buddy.